Are you ready to enter a world of sewing perfection? A world where creativity meets technology. Are you ready to enter the world of Pfaff? For more than 150 years, through innovations such as the original IDT system, Pfaff has empowered sewers with precision, customization, and unlimited creativity. Now, discover what has made Pfaff one of the leading sewing brands in the world. Challenge your imagination with the Pfaff Creative 3.0 sewing and embroidery machine. The user-friendly color touch screen shows stitches in actual size and the true color of your embroidery design. It's a dream to create with. Imagine being able to customize and combine your embroidery on screen, or using the Stitch Creator feature to design your own 9mm stitches or edit built-in ones. Let Pfaff lead the way to astonishing results. Because one thing is certain: perfection starts